Hi, I'm Thomas, and welcome back to Next Level English Prep. This is lesson 2 in our mini grammar lesson series. And today we're talking about the articles a, an, and the. Take a look at these two sentences. Do they mean the same thing? I saw a dog in the park, and I saw the dog in a park. No, they don't. Changing the articles completely changes the meaning of these sentences. And by the end of this lesson, you'll understand how to use articles correctly. Articles are words we use before nouns. They tell us whether we're talking about something general or something specific. There are two types of articles in English. First, we have indefinite articles, a and an. We use these for general things when the exact object is not important. Then there's the definite article, the. We use the when we know exactly what we're talking about. Let's look a little closer at the indefinite articles. We use a and an when we're talking about something that's not specific, when it could be any example of that thing. So, I saw a dog. It could be any dog, not one that we know. I saw an apple. It could be any apple, not one that we've talked about before. Now, what's the difference between a and an? So we use a before consonant sounds. A cat. C is a consonant. A cat. A house, another consonant, and a teacher. We use an before vowel sounds. An apple. A is a vowel, so we'll say an apple, an hour, an engineer. And one thing that's really important and we need to remember is that when we're trying to choose between a and an, it's all about the sound, not just the letter. For example, an hour starts with the vowel sound ow, hour. So even though it begins with a consonant H, we use an instead of a. So it's an hour. Easy, right? We use the when we're talking about something specific, something that both the speaker and the listener already know about. For example, I saw the dog you were talking about. We're not talking about any random dog. We're talking about that specific dog. The can also be used with plural nouns when we mean a specific group, like the dogs in the yard are friendly. Here, the dogs means a particular group that both people know about. But if you're speaking in general about plural things, don't use the. When we say dogs are great pets, we're talking about all dogs in general, so we don't need the article the. Same here. I love reading books. We're talking about books in general, not specific ones, so we don't use the article. All right, let's practice. Look at these sentences and correct the mistakes with the articles. The first one's done for you. Go ahead and pause the video while you work. So, did you get everyone right? Let's try a different exercise. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the, or leave it blank if no article is needed. Again, pause the video while you complete the sentences. There were some tricky ones, but I bet you got them all right. This is a fun little game. Let's see how far we can carry on a chain using articles. Look at this example. There's a word on a page. The page is in a book. The book is on a table, and so on. See how long of a chain you can make for the other examples. Leave your article chain in the comments for everybody to see. That's it for today's lesson on articles. Now you know when to use them and when not to. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.